I had to clean out the spinner on our Samsung water wall because we got some sand in the system, and it made the spinner really stiff, which meant that the upper drawer wasn't cleaning properly. It's quite easy to take out. You kind of pop the back one off, and that one will just come on its own. It just clips in onto the shelf. The major piece of advice I have is that this thing here is a left-handed thread. That fooled me for a while. So yeah, you can just unscrew this and once you've unscrewed it, you can get in here and actually clean out whatever crap has got caught under the slidey bit. There's a little white, probably PTFE ring, as you can just about see in the gap there. That's what it actually spins on. Now I actually go further than that because there was a kind of a sticking spot. I'm not quite sure what caused it, but this part here is a separate part. You can see 2 of the 4 little legs that snap into place down there. Now this actually came out fairly easily. I just levered it out with a screwdriver, and it's made of something that isn't brittle, so it kind of just bent and just popped out. And I was able to actually get a file on the edge round here. Once you take it all apart, I was able to work out where you could see the high spot, and I was able to just file it down, pop it back on, and now this one spins freely once again. Hope this is useful to someone else.